Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning video that looks like you are about to board your own private jet. It's all in just a few clicks. And yes, no real jet required. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Hello AI. And if you don't already have the app, just go to Play Store and just install it. And once installed, just open the app and sign up using your Google account. And the good news, Hello will give you 300 free credits for your first use, so you can try it without spending a single cent. And if you love it, you can always subscribe later to unlock more features. Okay, after you are signed in, just tap on template. And then just scroll or search for the template called Fly Like a Billionaire. This one. Just tap on it. And then just try now. And here's come the fun part. Simply upload your own photo on this area. It could be a full body shot or even just a portrait. Make sure it's clear and valid for the best result. Just tap on the box and upload your photo. Next, just type a prompt about the model of the private jet that you want to fly. Just type the models on the box like this. Like this, and then just tap generate. Okay, let's play the video. Okay, I'll be honest, it does look like the person boarding a jet, but the private jet is a little bit weird. The detail isn't super sharp. It's maybe the luxury jet prompt could be a bit more detailed, or maybe it cause my photo wasn't perfectly facing the camera. But still, the overall video vibe is pretty cool. And then if you want to download it, just click on download and just share it on your social media. And okay, that's it. You just made your own Fly Like a Billionaire video in minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!